Well, hi everyone. I hope you hear me. I hope you see me. If you hear me and you see me, just put one in the chat, please. I want to know like everything is all right. If you don't hear me or see me, just put the two, number two. And if you love GetBlock, just put free. And I hope we are ready to start in a few minutes when I see that everything is all right and stream is going on and you hear me, you see me, and yeah, one more minute. Yes, I see the first one in the chat. Amazing. Gordon Bard. Nice. Anyone else? I hope. Yeah, that's good. That's everything is right. Yeah, yeah. I see everything is good. We can go. So, ladies and gentlemen, good day. Hope you're here. Let me know if something goes wrong. We have moderators in our chat, so just write if something goes wrong, if you need more information, if you have any questions, you can put it in the chat and you will find the answer immediately from our moderation group, from our support and amazing girls and Alex Grace is leading this. So yeah, you will get any information if you need. So first of all, I'd like to say hello one more time, and I guess you know why we gathered together here today, because yesterday we got a huge update, a huge release. It called Access Tokens. It changed the game, changed some rules in GetBlock, and today I will show you and tell you what is going on and how we're gonna live with it. So let's move further and start with a small presentation. Then I will show you the process of the migration from the API keys to access tokens. And in the end, we will have a Q&A session. And if you will have any questions during this session, you can, as I mentioned before, put it in the chat or keep in your mind and ask me in the end. So let's begin. Okay, this is our presentation, and yeah, I'm a bit excited to discuss this significant update that we released yesterday, as I mentioned. That point is that it will improve and secure your interaction with the GetBlock RPC service, and I hope it's gonna be like the next level for our service. So, first of all, um, let's see what's changed like in general. Just yesterday we got only API keys, and by now we have access tokens and API keys. So why do we need it? What is it? And what's the difference? Let's see on this slide. The main feature is API key. It's a key which can help you to create any endpoint on our in our personal account for any blockchain, for any protocol, for any network, any API interface like JSON RPC or BSS. And access token is gonna be unique endpoint for every protocol, every network, and that's the main difference, and that's where we start. Let's talk about a little bit about migration process. Quick heads up to our new users who just registered after October 24th, I mean yesterday. For you, you will see nothing special. You will see only new system with access tokens and that's it. And if you registered before, if you're our current users for days, months, weeks, years, maybe. So for you, it is like you need to go through migration process until the February 1st. You need to move all your endpoints from API keys to access tokens. It's necessary, everyone should do this, and we, of course, will help you. And you can ask us any questions, you can ask us any help. We will with you, we will hand your hand in our hand, and we will together do this migration uh, until February the 1st. So let's talk a little bit about why. Why do we need these big changes? Why access tokens is so necessary thing in our life? Yeah. So the first thing that we heard from our users a lot of times that API keys sometimes are quite difficult to manage because you have one API key and you can create any endpoint in your personal account for any protocol, for any network, as I mentioned before, yeah. And if something, if you need to share one endpoint with someone, you are not able to do this like very easy way because the person who will have the access to one endpoint also will have access to all others. So that's pretty inconvenient thing. And right now we can have uh, one access token to one road to the node, and that's easy to switch, easy to share, easy to delete, easy to create new one and as many ones as you need. So you can create 100 tokens for just ETH mainnet or BSC or testnet, and you can share it with your friends, with your team, and as easy you can share it, that's easy you can take it back, just delete it in your account or roll it or do anything you want. The second thing is security, of course. Previously, a compromised API key meant potential risk across all blockchains you have in your um, you have in your list. Now you can simply deactivate your problematic token. You can delete it or you can roll it. Just switch with a new one in one push of the button in the personal account. This change restricts access to only the related endpoints, significantly reducing potential breaches. The third thing is reducing man-in-the-middle attack risks. So that's also like interesting point, but not very obvious because in our older endpoints with the API key, you can see the protocol, the network, and the like blockchain provider GetBlock in the endpoint. Right now, you will see only GetBlock and some amount of numbers. So if someone will see this, he will understand nothing until he got the access token and make some calls and find out what is the network and protocol it is. But for like first point, first view, it means nothing and just symbols in the line, which means nothing for a hacker or someone who want to steal some information or get analytics about you, something maybe. And last but not least is our new improved statistic. We have new interface, we have new filters, which detail stats for each endpoint, each access token. Now we have flexible filtering options. I will show you further how it working. So you can filter by protocol, you can filter by nets, you can filter by access tokens, you can choose the period. So it's very flexible, very user friendly, and I hope you will like it. So it was like the main presentation. Uh, I will look at the chat and maybe you have some questions or no, no, you don't have it. Okay, let's move to the migration process and I will show you our new personal account and how it's working. Well, that's me, that's our personal account. Let's start with the main thing. What do you need to know is creating a new access token. Well, we need to choose the protocol, we need to choose network, we need to choose API, and yep, just get. And we have new access token. I will copy it and let's go to the postman and make some requests. That's proof that this token is working. Yeah, 1, 2, and I don't know how many times I will push this button, but I need to send some of the requests to get statistic and show you how it's working. Yeah, let's get back and see statistics. That's what I've been talking about. Here on the left, we can see new filters. I created the Ethereum access token. Let's see. Yes, just right now I did some requests. I'll put 1 hour because I have tested it before. Yes, I did 21 requests. I got 21 response with the status code 200. I did 21 with ETH syncing. We can see methods, we can see status, response status, and let's look at it a bit more for statistic. I will choose 7 days and add the arbitrum node. Yep, and now we can see both of them. The general statistic, the methods I've been using, it's different. We can remove Ethereum and see only Arbitrum. We can add all the network or the protocols I used and see all the statistics for all of them. And let's move to the token and see like ETH, Arbitrum, BCH, and so on. That's Arbitrum and see. Good. So it's pretty easy, flexible, and you can get any information you need from all sources, data sources we can provide you. So let's get back to the access tokens. Well, everyone saw my access token after I sent some requests to this. Now, to avoid like access token stealing, I will roll it. Boom. And now I can copy it and get back to the postman and send 1 more request. And yes, it's still working. Great. But you saw this again. And to avoid stealing, I will just delete it. And I deleted, and now it's not working. You will not be able to steal my requests. And yes, the last but not least thing I need to show you, it's a migration process. Let's move from the dashboard to migration. And here you can see the list of my old endpoints with API key, which should be moved to the access tokens. Let's do it with Matic. I don't have it on my dashboard right now. So now I push create and I mark it as migrated. I go back to the dashboard and see Polygon appeared here. Let's do it again. Matic for GraphQL, also create. I can copy access token. I can put it in my code and then mark as migrated. And then, yes, I will also have it here, 2 of them. Nice. And the last thing, I need to mention is if you don't need any endpoints, for instance, I will get this JSON RPC medic. I will mark it unused and it delete it from this list and it delete it from the dashboard, and I don't have it right now. If I need it, maybe later, I can create it, no problem, in 1 second. But if you don't need it, you can just use button unused and remove it. You can see the small guide how to migrate if you have any question. Also, you can ask our support and we will help you to migrate. And you can see the history on the right corner, on the right side of the screen, where you can see the all endpoints, all API keys you migrate. Well, I guess I mentioned everything which I should mention. Let's see in the chat and look, do we have any questions or not? It was quite fast. Is this change? No, this change does not affect the pricing. That's for now. We keep all these prices the same. We keep everything the same. Only type of the endpoints, type of traffic routing change, but that's only thing changed. Well, I can see. No questions. No. Is the migration flow the same for dedicated nodes? Yes, I I can show you, of course. Let's move to the dedicated nodes and see. Yes, the same. I can create endpoint, my new access token for Medic also. Go to the dedicated nodes and see. Yes, my access tokens appeared here in the dedicated nodes. So yes, the migration process for dedicated nodes are the same, is the same as for shared nodes. Boom, boom, boom. So if you don't have any more questions, if you are satisfied with this short but I hope very informative demo, I can say some last words for you. So as you can see, these updates help you to increase the security and provide you a little bit more detailed statistic. Furthermore, these changes pave the way for exciting upcoming features in our roadmap, like setting up the node location on shared nodes and sharing endpoints across the accounts. Um, Also, we have some more big release in future, and I guess we will make some kind of the same type of the events, maybe video demo or streaming demo. Let's see. So I think we are ready to move into the end of this translation or this stream. Yes, I see no more new questions. Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you for your questions and thank you for joining our big trip of the like GetBlock. I know my team right now celebrating this huge release in the office. There should cheers with glasses of champagne. And yeah, I congratulate my team. It was a huge work, and thank you all our favorite users for choosing us as a node provider. We are really appreciating it. And thank you, and see you later.